Hello, and welcome to the Airride Supplies Air Academy. My name is Dennis, and in the following video I will explain the structure and installation of our dryAIR automatic systems. Our popular dryAIR automatic ensures with its fine filter, transparent sight glass and automatic float system for an almost maintenance-free dehumidification of your Airride systems. All necessary components are included in the set and the installation is really quick to complete. Into the sturdy cast housing. The fittings are screwed in and tightened. Depending on the type of thread, O-rings are already included or thread sealant is applied. Screw the angled fitting onto the drain of the condensate tank. Please do so carefully by hand to avoid damaging the thread. Next, mount the mounting bracket at the top of the housing using the supplied screws. These are self-tapping and can screw the bracket into different angle positions on the housing depending on the later orientation. Then insert the drain hose into the angled fitting at the drain. It's best to place the other end outside the vehicle. Depending on the fill level, the condensate filtered out of the compressed air is then transported outside. The clever float system does this automatically and without electricity. Customary quality and functionality from Airride Supplies. The system is available for the common metric hose sizes of 6 or 10 mm for plastic and fabric hoses, as well as for inch-sized hoses of American systems, for example from Airride & Co., in 1/4 inch or 3 to 8 inch. We can also offer you suitable fittings for other sizes. Just send us an email or visit our website at airridesupplies.de.